First, we'll use a plastic trim remover tool like this and we'll punch in the tool on the edge of the switch panel to take it out completely. We got the switch panel pulled out. Now we will take out the plugs behind. You see that white color tab right there? We press and hold that tab and then pull the tab out first. After that, we pull out the plug completely. Same goes for the second plug. We press and hold the tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. With both plugs taken out, there we got the switch panel taken out completely. Behind the switch panel, notice there is that screw that we will take out using a Phillips screwdriver. There we got the screw taken out. Now we will use a tool like this and we'll try punching in the tool on the bottom right edge of the door panel. Once the tool is in, now we will pull out the door panel from this side. Just like that. We'll also make sure the complete bottom part is pulled out. Also making sure nothing holding the door panel from the middle. All good. Now we grab the door panel, lift it a little upwards, and there we ended up taking out the door panel completely. Now in case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps of the takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.